Hey guys, it's Soko here, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to make your very own Blender intro for free. So first you're going to go up to the search bar in Google Chrome and you're going to be looking up youtube.com. Next you're going to be looking up free Blender intros. I do recommend using Top Free Intro. It's a very good channel to find Blender intros for free. So first you find an intro that you like. You want to make sure the video has Blender near it. So top 10 best Blender intro templates ever. So if we like this one right here, let's see, this one is number 10. So we will go to the description. We'll find number 10, which is at 37 seconds. We're going to go and click on that. And now what we're going to be doing is we are going to be downloading it. So you're going to click on this download button right here. And you will go and subscribe. So we are already subscribed. Some channels do this where you have to subscribe to the intro channel. You are going to go all the way down here and you click on the small download button. Next, if you want to download it, you're going to choose where you want to download it. I download it in my external hard drive right here. So Blender intro template, we can just call this whatever you want, but Blender YT intro. So it has to be in the zip file. So we're going to save that. Now once it's finished downloading, we're going to be clicking on here. And we're going to click on this template number 49. It's a Blender file, .blend. We're going to double clicking on this. Alright, so this is the intro that I chose. So your screen should look something like this. If you choose a different intro, it would look a lot different, but the main layout should be the same. So here's the play button. If you click on this, so it'll flip the name around because it's going through the animation. So what you're going to do is you're going to click on the text with the left click, and you're going to press tab, and then it will show like a little like rectangle thing next to the text, and you're going to delete all that. And then you're going to type in whatever name you want, or what text you want. So I'm going to do Soko, because the channel is called Soko. Now once you're done with that, press tab again, and then it should be highlighted in orange, and then you just left click anywhere and it will reset. So now if you want, you can move the scroll back to the beginning and you can watch the video. Watch your intro, I mean. So here's what the intro mine looks like. So pretty simple, and it will zoom in and out like that. Alright, now you've passed the hardest part, and here comes one of the easier parts. Once you're done with your video, your intro, you're going to be going into the output properties, and it should be like this little like printing thing, and you're going to select wherever you want it. So I'm going to put it in this Blender intro final thing. And now you're going to change the file format to AVI RAW, which is a really good format for videos, animations. And that's about it. Now when you're done doing all that, you're going to be coming up here to render, and you're going to click on render animation, and it should start rendering each frame one by one. Now this will normally take a long time, depending on how long your intro is and how much work is needed for the intro. So we can just stop rendering because I don't need to render it. But once it's finished rendering, you would go into where you chose, so D Blender intro final. So you're going to go into there. Wait. So if you go into D, and then it should be right here, and your intro should be somewhere around here. And that is about it for today. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you need any more help, just comment on the video and I'll give you the best help I can give you.